Welcome back to my channel. I tried this particular turn on feature on your YouTube studio, and I will tell you guys how, whether it did well or not. So watch this video till the end. You will understand why I am making this video. You know, sometimes when I get any updates, I normally come here to come and share it with you guys, trying it by myself and also knowing if it will work. Then if it doesn't work, I'm still going to come back and tell you guys it does not work. But if it's working, I will still be the person that will come on here and tell you guys that it will work. But I will stop doing such because I think I should be updating you guys with the features that are excellently going to work for you guys. As you guys can know that in some of my videos, I'm teaching you guys, once you upload a video, there are some certain features that you turn on if you want to start getting views. Like, you upload a video, you are seeing 0 views in the next 2 days. You are seeing 0 views. There is probably something that is going on, and which you have to listen to this video to the end to know why I am saying that there are features that you need to turn on your studio. But this particular thing that made me to come on this YouTube channel, guys, this particular video that made me to come here to talk about, guys, like, I don't know why people will just come and start teaching what doesn't work. I don't know if it's working for them or that they're just doing it because they think and they believe that it will work for them. Actually, I was among those that say so, but I actually said something on that video that if it doesn't work for you, that means you have to do other setup, which I did on my other videos, and my videos are performing excellently well. So when you watch this video, I will still show you guys what I did on my other videos, aside from this one that I will show you guys, which you guys will watch on this video. I did this particular setup that they showed me. Guys, the turn up is 0 for me. Like, I am not even getting views. I am not getting views at all. So in my community, I will keep on telling you guys the truth. Any app that I try and did not work, I will still come back here and tell you guys that this particular app, this particular setup, or this particular thing did not work for me. So you guys should not even try it. So let's go to this particular thing I am talking about. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find this video so useful. Men, we have to try, but once you try and it did not work for you, try another method. That is the way you can actually grow on this YouTube. It works for others, but it might not work for you. So you keep on trying other features that will work for you. Log into your Chrome browser, studio.youtube.com. just go ahead on home tab, click on home tab. Once your interface opens, click on For You section. Then you see this recent content only, guys. That is where they say we should turn on this thing, that once you turn it on, you will start getting massive views. I turned my own on, my brothers and my sisters, and behold, I'm not getting views. I have to put it back to all content recommended, although they are telling us that it is working for them, but it did not work for me. So you try yours. If it don't work for you, please change it back to your normal system. But what is working for me is this ad section. You guys can see that my ad sections are very, like, I added many sections like live streaming. When I go on live stream, YouTube will alert people that I'm on live stream. When I upload any playlist, YouTube is going to, like, all my ad session. See this place that they write ad session? Just make sure you go to your ad session and then add all those things, both playlists, subscribe, everything that they ask you to add there. Returning trailer, channel trailer, spotlight for returning subscribers, for you, all this stuff. Make sure you add it on your ad section, and that is it. Just go to your content, select one content and add end screen. Adding end screen, if you guys don't understand how to add end screen, like I normally say, it's just very easy. When you click on one of your content, just go to add element. If you just click on element, add screen, you just tap on this add screen like this. You just tap on element. Because because I already have elements, so I'm going to delete one. I click one and delete, so that I'll show you guys how to add elements. When I delete one, I'll now click on add elements, select one video and then add. These elements always alert YouTube, or if people finish watching your video, they will see another video pop up so easily. Then you click on add card as well, and then click on card, choose a video or a playlist or a subscribe channel. Just choose one video and place it there. That is what I've been doing, and I've been getting views as a new YouTuber. So the other one did not work for me, but this particular one is working for me. Please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys.